Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. In previous class, I explained about rounding of numbers. Today, I am going to discuss an important topic, Roman numerals. In ancient Romans, used letters to write numbers. Today, we are using these Roman numbers in clocks, watches, and also writing our classes. First class, second class, like that we are writing, we are using Roman numerals. So let us learn about Roman numerals. Today's topic, see, Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, they are using 7 symbols to write numbers. Let us see what are those numbers. See, this is symbol I. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. These are the 7 symbols they use it to write numbers. See, some rules are there. What are the rules? See, 3 rules. Rule 1, rule of repetition. This is the first rule. Second rule, rule of addition. Third rule, rule of subtraction. These are the 3 rules we are to use to write the Roman numerals. So I am going to first rule, rule of repetition. Rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. That means, suppose I means 1. I stands for 1, I told you. I is repeating 2 times. So that is 1. That number 1 you should multiply with 2. 1 2 is 2. That is the mean. Suppose then I am going to explain x. Suppose x is repeating 3 times. So x value, what is the value of x? 10. X stands for 10. So 10 into 3. 3 times it is repeating. So multiply with the 3. 10 3s are 30. This is the first one. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. Is it clear, children? Then I am going to the second point. Symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times maximum. Here, listen carefully. Out of 7 symbols, see, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 symbols. Out of these 7 symbols, I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times maximum. It repeats 3 times. Clear? See, X repeated 3 times. I repeated 2 times. It will not repeat it 4 times. This is wrong. Clear, children? Is it clear? Any symbol, these 4 symbols can be repeated 3 times. And another one, symbol V, L and D never repeated. Out of 7 symbols, 4 is repeating, 3 is not repeating. What are those non-repeated symbols? V, L, D. See here, why these symbols are not repeated means, suppose V. This is wrong. 5 plus 5. This is wrong. What is the symbol for 10? 5 plus 5, 10. You know that. So what is the symbol for 10? X is the symbol for 10. This is wrong. and this is right. So BLD never repeated. Is it clear, children? Okay. Then I am going to the next rule. See, second rule, rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. This is the rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. See, example. See, this is the greater value 5, and I is the symbol. I stands for 1. I is right side of V. So what we have to do? See, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of higher value, right side is the smaller value. What we have to do? We add the smaller value to the greater value. See, what is the V stands for 5. Add symbol plus. I symbol 1. So what is the value? 6. Is it clear? Otherwise, another example. CX. See, C stands for 100. X stands for 10. C is higher value. Right side smaller value is there. So what we have to do? Addition. C value is 100 plus X value is 10. So what is 100 plus 10 means? 110. Is it clear? Now I am going to the third rule, rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the small value from the higher value. Here, the symbol of smaller value is left of the higher value. Here, right means you do addition, left means you do subtraction. Left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the small value from higher value. See here. And here another important note, the symbols V, L and T cannot be subtracted from any number. The symbols V, L and T cannot be subtracted from any number. For this example, IV. See, I means a smaller value. It indicates 1 and V is 5. For a higher value, left side smaller value is there. So what we have to do? Subtraction. Smaller value you should subtract from higher value. That means 5 minus 1. That is equal to 4. Is it clear? Same way. C, M. Here C stands for 100, M stands for 1000. So 1000 left side 100 is there. So you should subtract 1000 minus 100. So what is the value? CM means 900. 900. Is it clear, children?